how to make drafts on TikTok. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to make drafts on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok app, and this is where you will get. What you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok camera. So we will get right here. Let's say I am creating a TikTok and I want to save it as a draft. I want to save a sound. I want to maybe save half of my transition. So how we can save it as a draft? You just have to select and make the video first. So what I'm gonna do, right? So I have this video now and I want to save it as a draft so I can edit it later. We can also add like filters now. I can timer, I can select the speed. If I want to edit this now, I can do that. Once you're done, you're gonna click on this check option and then you have to click on next. Now it will take you right here to post your TikTok, but don't do that. You don't need to post it. So you can see at the bottom, we have a post option, which is this pink option, and then we have a draft option. You just have to click on drafts and your TikTok will be saved in your drafts. Now, if I go to my profile and go to drafts, it will show me all of the drafts that I have saved, and I can open it up, edit it anytime I want, complete it, and it will take me to the camera again. So this is how we create drafts on TikTok. It's really easy. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.